Hello. Hello, and how? Can you hear me?
Yeah,
Oh, your camera is off. That's why I thought that you didn't hear me. Okay, Happy New Year and how? Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, teacher.
All right, so how are you tonight and how?
Hmm?
How are you?
I'm fighting. I'm sad.
Yo, why are you sad? Why are you sad? Sad and how? Can you tell me why are you sad?
Hmm.
Why are you sad? Are you not happy today?
Why?
Okay. Doesn't it? All right. Wait. Let me translate it for a while. Give me a moment. Okay. Vietnam English to Vietnam. Vietnam to English. Mhm. Oh, yes. Why are you sad? There are specific reason why are you sad?
Teacher, we going to chat.
Yes, I already reply. Can you check it? I already reply. Okay, I'm going to chat. Okay, can you tell me what is the reason why are you sad? Okay, what was the reason? Oh, okay, wait, let me translate it for a while. You're sad because, oh, you are very tired. Okay, can you tell me why are you tired today? But are you ready to start with our class? But are you ready and okay to start with our class? Are you ready? Are you ready to start with our class, baby? Okay, so teacher will be sharing the screen and just give me a few moments. Lang gibira. All right, so how about that? Can you see our screen already? Can you see it? Hello, can you hear me? Hello, hello. Can you hear me and how? Hello? I
Hello,
cannot.
teacher.
All right. So now tonight we're going to have exercise 4. Okay, we got your dialogue. Okay, read the dialogue aloud with your tutor, then answer the questions. Okay, so let me start it first. What devices do you own, Haruto?
I have a phone, a tablet, and a laptop.
How often do you use them?
I use my laptop and my phone every day. I don't use my tablet very often, maybe on once a
Once.
week. Once a week.
All right. So what do you use them for? Okay, what do you use them for?
Mainly, usually my phone for messaging friend,
Mhm.
but I spend a lot of time scrolling on
Mhm.
social media. I use my tablet to read and watch movie and use my laptop to game.
Okay, what social media sites do you use? Okay, what
I
social media sites do you
I
use?
may I mainly use Instagram and
X. How often do you use? Oh, how often do you check them?
I probably check them very hard
Every hour. Okay, one more time. Every hour.
every hour.
Okay, what do you use Instagram and X for?
Mm, I mainly
I
use
mainly.
Instagram to post picture of my cat. I have of
I have
follow,
lots
follow, lot of follow who love
followers.
cat, follower who love cat. I use it to read the news, but I don't post very often.
All right, so now and how? Do you, what device do you own and how? What device do you own? Okay, can you tell me what device do you own?
Mm, I don't understand.
What device? Here, this one. What device do you own? Do you
I
have a phone, a
have a,
tablet, a laptop?
I have a laptop.
Uh-huh. What else? Okay, what else? Okay, what else?
Don't understand.
Yes, I am typing it. It's just one word. Okay, can you please listen to this one?
Còn gì nữa? Còn gì nữa?
No. No.
Oh, all right. So now, how often do you use the laptop? How often do you use the laptop?
Bạn dùng máy tính xách tay thường xuyên như thế nào?
Okay, how often do you use the laptop?
Every day.
Oh, every day. So what do you use the laptop for?
Hmm?
Bạn dùng máy tính xách tay để làm gì?
Okay, what do
Study.
you...
Study, play game,
Hmm.
and watch football.
Oh, all right. So what game do you play?
Football.
Trò chơi gì? Bạn chơi trò chơi gì?
Okay, what game do you
Football.
play? Oh, I
Football.
see. All right, so now let's check your understanding, okay? So we will be reading the questions and I want you to answer it. Okay, and how?
Okay.
Okay. How many devices does Haruto own? How many devices does Haruto own?
I don't understand.
Here, the question is just here. You can read it. Okay, can you read this one? Hello, Al, can you please read this?
How many devices the
Devices
Haruto of devices
does
the Haruto own?
okay, how many?
Three.
Haruto sở hữu bao nhiêu thiết bị?
Three.
Alright, B. How about question number 2? Can you read question number 2?
How often the Haruto check Instagram and eat?
Alright, how often does Haruto check Instagram and X? Okay, can you tell me how often? Okay, so how often? Okay, let me translate it. Just give me a moment. Teacher is translating it. Haruto desu.
Haruto kiểm tra Instagram và X thường xuyên như thế nào? Haruto kiểm tra Instagram và X thường xuyên.
What?
Every day.
Oh, every day. Okay, how about number 3? Can you read number 3 for me? Okay, can you please read number 3?
What Naruto mainly
Mainly,
mainly Instagram for
So now, how does Haruto mainly use Instagram for? Okay, what does Haruto mainly use Instagram for? For what?
understand.
For posting pictures and for watching news. Okay, so now let's proceed on the exercise number 5. Complete the sentence. Okay, so now what you're going to do here is you need to choose the correct answer to complete each sentence, then read it out. Read it aloud. Okay. Okay, can you please read number 1?
I have a phone and a laptop.
Okay, so what is your answer?
B.
All right, I have a phone and a laptop. How about number 2? Okay, how about number 2? Can you please read it?
A. A.
How often? How blank? Okay, can you read number 2?
A.
What? A. Yes. Once you answer, you read it. Okay, read number 2. Do not give me just an answer. You read it. How? Okay, wait. Let me translate it.
B. 3B. 3EB.
Đừng chỉ đưa ra một câu trả lời. Hãy đọc to toàn bộ nội dung cùng với câu trả lời.
Okay. Okay,
Okay.
number 2 is?
How often do you use them?
All right. So number 3 is?
I use my tablet twice a day.
Wise. Wise or da a day? What letter? What letter
B.
is number 3?
B.
All right, wise. Okay, how about number 4? Okay, how about number 4?
I don't use my laptop very often. A.
Often. All right, A. Often. Okay, can you say often?
Often.
Okay, number 5. Number 5 is?
I check
Number
XPT
5, 5.
time
Number
of
5, baby.
was so called
What social
social
media
media sister
sites
do
do you
you use? A.
use? All right. A. Use. Why can you say use? Okay, how about number 6?
I checking it 50 times a day. B.
All right. I check X 50 times a day. How about number 7?
I use my phone to max hanging friend.
All right.
B.
Messaging friend. How about number 8?
I would eat for their picture. A.
All right. I use it for share. Oh, are you sure this letter A?
Yes.
No, the correct answer is letter B. I use it for sharing pictures. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so now exercise 6. Fill in the blanks. Read the dialogue aloud with your tutor and fill in the blanks. Okay, you will be Nina. Alright, so teacher, what devices do you own, Nina? Okay, read this one and fill in the blanks. Hello, can you hear me?
Hello, teacher.
Okay, so teacher will be reading this one again. What devices do you own, Nina? Okay, you are Nina. Okay, read this one and complete the sentence.
I don't know.
Read the dialogue aloud with your tutor and fill in the blanks.
Why?
Okay, you are just going to fill in the blanks to complete the sentence. Are you typing or something? All right, so and how? Hello.
Why?
Let's have let's just have this one next time, okay? Let's just finish exercise 6 on our next
Teacher,
class. Yes,
going
baby?
to chat. Teacher, you going to chat?
Yeah, yes. Yes, give me a few minutes and teacher is translating it. I'm going to chat.
Yeah. Okay, teacher.
Okay, so for tonight and now, I hope you learn, you enjoy, and you have fun during our class. So, bye bye and now. Happy New Year. Bye bye.
Goodbye, teacher. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.